Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 338 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Gentle Pause, a quiet moment to slow down, center yourself, and create a sense of comfort amidst a busy season. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Notice any tension in your body. Let your shoulders drop. Let your hands rest naturally. And let your mind soften even for a few breaths. Now, say to yourself, I can take a pause. I can create calm inside myself, and I am allowed this gentle moment. Let each inhale bring ease, and let each exhale release what no longer serves you. Even a small pause can restore balance and warmth inside. When you're ready, return to the present moment and carry this gentle pause with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.